Hello friends, today we like to discuss how to traverse collection using Iterator interface and for each or advanced for loop. Friends, I am Bhupendra Khilrani and my channel is Code with Bhupendra. So now start coding. First of all, we have to import util package. Since collection is part of util package, now we have to create a class. I am giving it a name for each example. Then main function. First of all, we have to declare a collection. So I am using list of type string with reference variable name a equal to new, and I like to use array list. Again, we have to pass a string here, which is known as type parameter. But if you are working in Java 7 or higher version, we do not need to write a string again. This is called diamond operator. Introduced in Java 7. Now we have to add some element into the list. So we have to write a.add, and then we have to add some data. So I am adding A, then B, C, and D. Now we have to perform traversal. Method first is using Iterator interface. So we write Iterator I equal to the collection name dot Iterator. Now this is a function having small case I, and this is interface having capital I. Next we write while I dot has next. Has next is Boolean function which gives true only when data is available and gives false if no data available in list. Now we want to display data, so we are writing I dot next. Next function will retrieve data from collection. Now we have to complete the main program and class. I have already saved the program with the name for each example. Now I am compiling it using Java 11. You can use any other version of JDK. So we write for each ex.java. Then we have to execute it using Java for each ex. Now we are getting the data. Now we have to learn method second. In method second, I am going to use advanced for loop, which is introduced in Java 1.5. Now we write for followed with the data type that we are using for the list. So we are using a string, then variable name, colon sign, and name of list. So the name of list is A. Now we can display the data. Just write the variable name. So the variable name is I. Now the program is ready. Again I am saving it and recompiling it. Now again we are getting the same data. So friends, hope you have learned how to use Iterator and for each. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment and share. Thanks.